taking another crack at pulling my first enchanted from Rise of the Floodborn with this Lorcana opening. Let's see if this pack finally delivers us from all the pain of not pulling one of these that it has caused. So many collectors have probably been in this position before, and it is not fun. Let's break that streak. Here we go. Owl. Hold still. Fairy Godmother. What did you call me? Gaston. Last Cannon. Delilah Booth. Bounce. Pinocchio. Bippity Boppity Boo. Raya. Basil. Wow, this is rough to pull an enchanted from Lorcana. Really rough.